So last night, Young Thug proposed to Mariah the Scientist, and my nephew this morning was like, pull up the Thug lyrics and get to talking about the attachment styles today. And I had thought about it for a little bit, but then I remembered that Jeffrey was the same person that said this.
I feel like I'm not a man if my girl get a therapist. It's like, damn, you actually call somebody and listen to what they got to say over me.
I thought rather than talking about attachment styles, I actually want to use Mariah's lyrics to discuss strengths-based perspective or strengths-based therapy, which is a situation where you're looking at situations that may seem bleak or really difficult, and you're finding some way to highlight a strength in the situation, finding some way to see the value in the situation. So if we go to spread thin, she talks about how selfish this person is, how conceited this person is, and specifically in the section where she says, now I'm left to wonder how I let this go under, how I could watch it rain for so long and hear no thunder. She talked about you're insecure, chasing things you thought you wanted, like you thought you could just get further with fronting. So if we look at this verse right here, I actually think her introspection and kind of looking back, like, how did we get here? How did I miss these signs? Really trying to use this as a learning experience. I would take that introspection as a strength. That would be the one thing I would pull on, so that in future interactions with others, she's not overlooking those things, that she's being more assertive, more communicative, and checking in with herself to really see, like, is this serving me at this point? So yeah, more to come in this series on what some of our favorite song lyrics can teach us that we would normally learn about in therapy. Stay tuned.